Close the loop on quality before non-compliance becomes news. Every deviation, corrective action, and inspection report captured, connected, and traceable in one system. In Fusion, data management is built in. And with integrated PLM, quality events are captured at the source and flow through connected, configurable workflows that adapt to your industry, your standards, your regulations. When something goes wrong, Fusion helps you capture it fast, assign ownership, and guide it through every stage, from report to resolution, keeping the digital thread intact. Every step is recorded, traceable, and audit-ready, giving you a continuous view of what happened, why it happened, and how it was fixed. And when new regulation requirements emerge, configurable templates mean you can stay compliant without re-engineering your entire process. Every issue becomes insight when it's connected across your product lifecycle, from quality to design to manufacturing and suppliers. With Fusion, quality management becomes continuous improvement, driving better outcomes with each release. Turn compliance into confidence with configurable quality management in Fusion.